The boar charges again. Remember, begin the attack. The boars can't outrun the wolves and have to confront their attackers. They actually have a better chance of surviving by standing their ground rather than running. Running only excites the pack. Working in pairs, flank. The boar is strong and its hide is so tough the wolves have trouble biting through it. The muscular boar proves to be more than a match. The wolves have managed to incapacitate him, but are quickly losing their strength. The fearsome power of the boar is wearing down the wolves. If they can't kill him soon, then... Two other wolves in the pack decide to take on the second boar. Rather than fight out in the open like his comrade, he decides to hold his ground in the bush, where it's harder for the wolves to maneuver around him. The wolves decide the best plan of attack and charge head-on. But the boar thwarts their attack. Meanwhile, the other attack has finally come to an end. The wolves are completely exhausted and have to rest to get their strength back.
C'est pour que attends, si vous êtes beaucoup de il va énerver. Attention. Juste un coup de pied. Oh la vache.